Question 22 from the fourth logic game in PrepTest 71 asks us if exactly one painting is between T and W, which must be true. So first of all, we're going to change this rule just a slight bit up here to T space W, so that we now have two of these block rules right here. And that's going to change the dynamics quite a bit of this game. So let's bring up our limited options and let's start trying to figure out where we can plug in our T space W block and our R space M block. So starting in option 1, if we just start at the beginning, you notice we can't put any of them in 1 and 3, but we could place somebody in 2 and 4. So why don't we go ahead and put T and W in 2 and 4. And then the only space possible for R and M is right here in 5 and 7. That will not allow us to preserve our PS relationship. Thus, this scenario doesn't work. So we have to see if there's another place that T and W and R and M could go. So let's try another one. They couldn't go in 1 and 3, they can't go in 2 and 4, and they obviously can't go in 3 and 5 because V is in the way. What if we placed T and W in 4 and 6, and then we place R and M in 5 and 7? So we've preserved those relationships, we keep V in space 3, and now we have room for P and S next to each other in 1 and 2. So here's our first working scenario. It's our only working scenario. Now it is important to note that TW and RM are actually interchangeable. So it could be RTMW as well. So just something worth noting. In scenario 2, down here, where V is the fourth one, let's figure out where we can place people. So we'll start with T and W again, and we'll put them in 1 and 3. That leaves R and M in 5 and 7, and that splits up our P and our S, so that's not okay. So let's try and find some other place to put T and W. In this case, they can't go in 2 and 4, but they could go in 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 with a V in 4, we have no place to put our R and M. So in this second option down here, there is no way to have both of these blocks coexist. So we don't have to look at this scenario any longer. We have our one and only possibility, and we want to know what must be true. So M is 7th. Well, it looks like it at first, but remember that our TW pair and our RM pair are interchangeable, so M doesn't have to be 7th. P is first. Well, P and S are always interchangeable, so that doesn't have to be true. R is 4th. Again, remember that T, R, W, and M are interchangeable. And T is 2nd. We know that T is not 2nd. V is 3rd. V was our only set variable in this scenario. It was always 3rd, so that must be true, and that is the answer to the question.